How to add payment method on your Google Pay accounts. So first of all, download the applications like Google Pay and wait now. Okay, so log in now and you will see options like active bank account. So click here and your bank account active now, like continue option here and active now like this, and select sim and continue, and sending SMS your bank and active bank account. And other options, so select bank account and active now and add bank account like this, select your bank and continue options here and send your message SMS and verify, and your bank account is successfully added. And other options like add rupee debit card and add credit card. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.